These are my kittens. His name is Yellow Snow. Don't know if it's a he or a she though. Can't tell until later. Him, right there. That is Mo. Because we lost all these kittens at one time, and he's the only one we could find. So he was like the last of the Mohican. So I named him Mo. I've got awesome fur. Hey, Crook. This one's Crook. And because he has a crooked tail. Let's see here. Right there. He's kind of hiding it though. He's a cool guy. I love his face. It's right there. Awesome face. And right there are the two black ones. This guy right here is Black Shadow because he is really, really black. And then this one here I named Odin because when he was younger he had one eye that he couldn't open. So Odin is also known as the one-eyed journeyman. So I named him Odin. I know, kind of geeky, but his name's Odin. Pretty awesome. He's a small one though. Yeah, the white one's pretty big. Probably eats the most. Hey Mo. Mo. Nice kittens. And there's the mama eating away. Yellow Snow. Hey Yellow Snow, can you do something for me? Meow. Come on. Meow. Yeah, that's right. I don't think he likes being upside down.